Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Been a little bit here. I'm going to come back with a relatively easy classic tune now. So we got Shine a Light, Rolling Stones, obviously covered by Phish when they did the Exile on Main Street cover. Really cool cover. Just a great song. It's great for beginners. It's also it's great for anyone, honestly. It's just a beautiful song to play. So we're going to go over the chords, the progression, and I'll show you just that really basic solo that you can kind of play around with as well, if you were so inclined. All right, as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. I really do appreciate it. Let's hop in. All right, so Shine a Light, it's in C, and your chords, you got a C, you got a G, you got an A minor, and an F. Some of the tabs do show a C over G, but you can play just a C, and I think it sounds perfectly fine. All right, so it starts out here with a C to a G, and then walk down to the A minor. That's really to me, that's one of the really cool parts about that song. Again, it's very simple, but so you go for your C, come to your G, and then to get to the A minor, you're going to hit. Alright, so for that walk down, start here on 3rd fret of that low E, which is a G. Open on the A string, 2nd fret on the A string, and then your A minor. So it's a G, A, B. G, A, B. Now I like to go back to the open A again though, so. Alright. Alright, Mary minor, and then back to a G. And there's one other little piece I like to throw in here. I don't know why, but I feel like when I hear them singing that song, I feel like I hear this little come at the end of that, in the tear right in your eye piece. So after this G, just go on here, ring finger, 3rd fret of the B, slide into the 5th, kind of holding it there for a little bit, and then go into your next chord, which is the F, C, then G, F, G, or C, sorry, and you just repeat. And that's it the whole entire way. So the verse and the chorus, same chords. Alright, that's basically basic song structure there. For a very loose solo, you can start here. So we're staying right here. We're really just on so we're in the third to 5th fret here of the B, G, and this D here. On the D we're playing up here on the 2nd fret. just messing around in that scale there. So I, again, kind of starting it here. I'm not gonna go through and say every string I'm hitting, but I will try to play through it, zoom in so you can see kind of what I'm doing, try to get a feel for it. Something like that. And sorry, you can probably hear my dog Bowie barking there. But I really appreciate you guys watching. It's a quick one. Again, very easy one. We'll get some more going here soon for you. Again, really do appreciate you guys watching. And please let me know feedback, comments below. And I'll see you guys again soon.